Okay. Hello, and today we are presenting our mini version of our soccer goal. And this is indeed our mini version of our soccer goal. And section one, there you go.
And it may not be in the best shape, but we worked hard on it. We made the net out of bubble wrap and used straws to be the poles to keep the net up.
Kayla! Oops!
Well, it was really hard to make, and I know it doesn't look okay, but we worked really hard on it, and also one of these girls had to lead every single day this happened.
Well, yeah, so, that was you, Sid. That was you.
That was me, yes. So that's why we are a little over the top right now. I'm so sorry it looks like this, but actually, I got wrecked somehow. So we hope to make it better if you guys vote for us. So please vote for us, please.
Hey, we're not
vote.
Leo. No,
I never pressed it.
No, don't press it though. Don't press it though. Okay, I'm gonna start it off.
Hi. Should I just start over?
Yes.